Kabatiran para sa bayan. From west to east. Magandang gabi, Pilipinas. Ito na po ang ating mga kuya.
Pinas, andito na naman po ang kapatiran para sa bayan. Okay, ano muna tayo? Asan na si... Please run off yung ating mapapanood at mapapakinggan kami via website www.dwiz882am.com at i-download ang DWIZ application DWIZ882 sa iOS at Android phone. Live rin po via DWIZ882 via page text line 0999-376-6768. Take it away, Kuya Ricky.
At tayo po ay napapanood sa Digital Free TV, Alio 23, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27 at GMA For the Box Channel 25. Available rin po tayo sa digital TV device, TV receiver. Maaari lang i-scan lamang po ang inyong digital TV receiver at digital box upang mapanood ang Alio 23.
Okay, hi muna sa Grand Lodge, kay Most Worshipful Ariel T. Kayanan, Very Worshipful Diosdado Meligrito, and all other staff of the Grand Lodge. The challenge is still with you po. Okay.
Malalim yun
Malalim mo. Okay, hindi na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Ang magpapakilala, ako po pala si Kuya Jerry, isang manananggol,
At ang inyong pong lingkod, Ricky Cupo. At kasama po natin si Kuya Teddy. Smile yan.
Yeah. Okay.
From across our country today. Thank you for joining in through Facebook, radio, and TV, Alio 23. Napakaganda ng usapin natin ngayon because we will be talking about the greater Masonic family.
Yes.
Wow.
And for that, we have an organization that truly represents family in all its aspects, blood and the craft. And that organization, I'll let them talk about it. Is the Order of the Eastern Star.
Wow.
Okay.
And tonight we're blessed and privileged to have with us the Grand Matron of the Order of Eastern Star, Sister Remy Azarcon.
Yes, good evening po.
Good evening.
Good evening,
Welcome to the
Sister
show.
Remy. And then, of course, we have her counterpart, who, well, she's really the head of the order, but we also have her counterpart, our worthy Grand Patron, Brother Joey Redor.
Yeah. Good evening.
And in my own chapter, Calao chapter number 9, we have our worthy patron, Brother Nestor Garcia.
Good evening mga kapatid.
Okay. Siguro, without...
Kuya Nestor, hindi na bago dito eh. Meron din silang programa rito, di ba?
Dati.
Great to hear.
Dati yun. Magbabalik yan, magbabalik.
Ganun ba?
Siguro we can start off with our worthy Grand Matron po. Sister Remy, ano ba ho ang Order of Eastern Star?
Yes.
Order of the Eastern Star is an organization
Kuya Teddy, makilapit yung mic. Yes.
Ito po.
Yan.
There you go.
where affiliated Master Masons with their female relatives related to them by marriage, by birth, and by adoption.
So lahat sila sumasali, but really it's really the like in life sa buhay ng mga lahat ng Pilipino, as we know, yung nagpapatakbo nito mga babae.
Yes.
Yes.
Diba? Para sa pamilya natin. Yung sa
Yes.
pamilya ko, yung boss ko. Nagpapatakbo. She's watching tonight, by the way. So this is run by the female relatives of Masons.
Master Masons. Yes.
Wow, napaka I don't know if you know, but Sister Remy here joins us from Davao.
Wow.
Alam mo,
Fresh from Davao.
napaka-active nila.
Yes, opo.
Yes, yes.
And when you say na pinapatakbo to ng mga relative ng mga ng
Master
Mason,
Masons, yes.
wife, sister, daughters. So, what does it mean? I mean, paano ba ito how did it start and paano napunta sa Pilipinas, Sister Rem?
This organization was founded by Rob Morris from the United States.
United States.
Yeah. And then because he was a master mason and he was thinking that female relatives also should have the same organization wherein they will also benefit what our master masons doing.
Oh.
I see.
Parang it's a complement of our Master Mason. Sige po.
Isa na lang.
Sige po.
Ano naman tayo sa
Kuya Ted,
worthy grand
opo.
patron natin. So, Kuya Joey, anong ginagawa ng mga brad na katulad natin na sumasali?
Yes.
Kung nagpapatakbo nito, mga
Yeah.
mga ating at boss natin.
Actually, no, yung mga Master Masons, kailangan sa chapter.
I see.
Hindi pwedeng mag-meet ang chapter.
Kung
Kung wala.
ang brothers.
At least one, meron. So, among the 18 officers of the chapter, meron tayong worthy patron, associate patron, tapos yung ibang positions hindi pwedeng ma-occupy ng lalaki. Pero marshal, tsaka chaplain,
Pwede
yan.
lalaki.
Sentinel, warder. Okay. So, it was actually, ang Eastern Star merong tatlong era eh. Yung first era, yun yung noong
First time.
ginawa ni Brother Rob Morris yung Rosary of the Eastern Star. Hindi pa Order of the Eastern Star yan eh. Tapos yung mga naipon niyang mga materials, tinurn over niya kay Robert McCoy. Kasi he has to travel to the Middle East, to the Holy Land. During the time,
So, strong Christian elements dito.
yes. And yung kanyang mga ginawa is based on biblical stories. So we have 5 heroines in our order.
Katulad ni Ruth.
Oh.
Di ba? So, hindi pwede lalaki yung mag-ano ng role ng Ruth. Di ba? Kasi babae nga eh.
Yes.
Yes.
Ang talagang purpose kasi ni Rob Morris, para ma-share with the female relatives of Mason dahil hindi pwede silang maging Mason eh. Di ba?
Yeah.
So he thought of forming this order so that the female relatives of Masons can share in the benefit of the craft.
Nasabi nga yan sa akin ng Lola Eva ko who became, by the way, a worthy
Yes.
matron
Yeah.
of Calao Chapter number 9. I think the founding matron na when she was setting it up, nagtataka siya sa lolo ko kasi parang ang sarap-sarap ng buhay nila pag nagpe-fellowship sila after the meeting. So nagtataka sila, ano bang ginagawa nila sa loob ng meeting? So when the opportunity came to form Eastern Star, ayan, meron na akong idea pala, di ba? Kasi the ritual teaches moral lessons the way we do it also in our lodges, di ba? Kuya Nestor, how does it feel to be a worthy patron of the order? Is it, now that, that you're...
Nung una, akala ko, kasing powerful ng worshipful master sa atin.
No nga eh.
Nakaupo ako sa is. Siyempre, pag nakaupo ka sa is, ikaw ang pinakamataas. Ang mabigat sa Eastern Star, the one who is holding the gable, yung babae, si Ating. Alam naman natin, kung sino may hawak ng gable, the symbol of authority, siya ang siga doon. So, ang role nating mga Mason, sidekick lang tayo ni Ating.
Parang nga sa pamilya natin, di ba?
Kakaiba, no?
Kaya nga ako highly recommended ko tong Eastern Star eh. Yung mga kababaihan na gustong ipagpatuloy yung kanilang pagiging superior, join Eastern Star kasi sila yung hari sa bahay. Pagdating sa Eastern Star, sila pa rin ang hari.
Sila pa rin ang boss.
Sinabi nga sa akin ng Tita Ching Bico, who was also worthy matron of, nung buhay pa siya, yung Tita Ching Bico, the sister of my late father.
She was very active.
When she was matron, i-encourage kami yung kasing ko si Garich ako to attend kasi it will teach us the value of obedience. Di ba?
Yun.
Yung mga lalaki.
You have to obey kasi kundi pag uwi mo, outside mo Colombo ka.
Baka may question kayo,
Yeah.
Kuya Jerry.
Siguro yung pinaka-ano ko is because we guested during the last time, Job's Daughter, Rainbow,
Anong difference nun?
other affiliate bodies. And they have their Bethel or you call it chapter.
Yes.
Sa Eastern Star po ba meron din chapters? Or
There are chapters.
so how many chapters that you have right now? po?
We belong to Calao chapter number 9.
Opo.
Order of the Eastern Star. Nagme-meet po kami sa Capitol Masonic Temple sa Matalino Street, Quezon City.
Opo, every
Every first Saturday,
first Saturday.
9 o'clock to 12 o'clock.
Okay.
Kaming tatlo na Mason. Pero
Yan
si
po.
Sister Remy
I'm
is...
from
belongs-
Opo.
Theodora Alonso.
Without the presence of a Mason, hindi po pwedeng mag-meeting.
Yes, yes.
Kahit kami alalay lang nila,
Opo, opo.
mahalaga po kami.
Si Sister Remy is
Teodora Alonso,
Alonso.
chapter number 4.
in
in Davao City.
Davao.
So more or less there are similarities with it comes to Rainbow, when it comes to even Demolay and yung isa, yung Job's Daughter. Kasi without one Master Mason, hindi sila makapag-meet. Ganon din po eh. So, and how is it related to the craft, especially for the enlightenment of the public in general po?
The Eastern Star are related to Master Masons. So they must be the wives, daughters, mothers, sisters, and widows of Master Masons.
You mentioned a while ago po, Ateng, about adopted. How is it to be adopted sa Eastern Star?
Adopted daughters.
Adopted daughter.
by
Okay,
law.
okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
adopted daughters.
Oo, kasi in other organization which is also belonging to the craft, adopted can be voted upon by the members. Baka meron din sa inyong ganun o wala
No,
po?
it is adoption by law.
By
the
law.
court.
Okay,
Dati
okay.
kasi-
So if you're an adopted daughter,
Daughter.
Yes, yes.
pero walang adopted second wife, walang ganun. Isa lang ang
Diba?
asawa, di ba?
Diba?
I think what
Ibang
is the
usapan.
major activities po?
Our
Ng Eastern Star.
charity,
Oh.
Aside from charity,
we have fellowships.
fellowship.
Fellowships.
We have community service.
Community.
And the youth groups you mentor, di
And
ba?
also, we are also supporting the youth groups.
Yung Demolay,
Demolay,
Job's Daughters.
And the Rainbow.
Okay, okay.
Kasi yung mga youth organization kailangan supported ng mga either
the
Order of
Master
Eastern
Masons
Star
or-
or the
Opo, opo.
Digest
Opo.
or the Amaranth. Kumukuha ng mga advisor.
Yes, yes.
Our chapter is a sponsor of one Rainbow Assembly in Quezon City.
Ilang advice, Kuya Joey, di ba? Like for example, yung Rainbow or Job's Daughter, sometimes nahihiya sila. Di siyempre pupunta sa inyo.
Tama.
Di ba? Joey, baka pwede mong itong TM Calao kumuha ng sponsorship, di ba? O yun.
The meetings
So,
din ba
they
is,
help in a lot of ways.
ma'am, I think is once a month?
About the Eastern Star?
Yes. Once a month
Yeah,
din.
once a month.
Oh.
And where do you meet?
And the lodge.
In lodge rooms.
Lodge.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
We cannot have a meeting outside the lodge room except we have special dispensation if there is a big activity.
So in short, you have your own ritual
Yes,
that
yeah.
exemplifies their moral lessons.
Yes.
So, like, dito kasi sa amin, di ba, the lodges, meron din mga DDGM eh. Pag may dispensation,
Districts,
sabi nyo,
Yes.
sila po ipirma. On your end po, sino po yung...
Here in the Philippines, we don't have yet the district deputy grand matron or matron. I think I will be issuing a
The Grand Matron.
Wow,
But-
okay.
But, Kuya Ricky, effective February, may before kasi, all of the Order of Eastern Star chapters, they report directly to the US.
Yes.
May nangyari po sa February po, baka you can explain.
Yes, on February 27, 2024, the Grand Chapter of the Philippines was constituted by the General Grand Chapter
Wow.
Officers.
So now
Even after
independent.
You are the
Independently,
first
Yes.
You are the first
Was the first
worthy grand
one
matron.
So they can
Wow.
act independently na, di ba?
Last
Yes.
Tama ba?
February 27. Yeah.
Kaya ngayon, parang ang dami yung bagong chapter, ah.
Isa pala.
Galing ho kayong baler,
Baler.
di ba po?
So how many chapters do you have right
Galing ho silang
now?
baler.
We had 29 then.
Total in the Philippines.
Yes. Baler will be the 30th.
Wow.
Because
Yesterday.
Yes.
It was, the other day.
Oh.
Oh, the other-
Constituted last Saturday.
Saturday.
I understand your guest of honor was a congressman.
Yes.
Yung the brother, Congressman Angara.
Angara.
Oh, okay, okay.
And
How-
it is named after
Aurora Quezon.
Aurora Quezon.
Doña Aurora Quezon.
Doña Aurora.
Wow.
Nabati ko yung mga...
Nagbabaler.
I'm sure
Doña Aurora Quezon.
makakarating to doon.
Oo.
Under dispensation pa sila. So,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
usually,
UD, oh.
our case, after instituting the chapter, if they can prove that they are able to stand alone to do the ritual work, they will be constituted. So, within 2 days, hindi nila nagawa yon, binabawi yan.
2 years na 2 days.
Kuya Joy,
2 years, 2 years.
Hindi na nagawa, binabawi,
Babawi yung
chapter.
disposition.
Kuya Joy, alam ko na ang susunod ng tanong ng ating District Deputy Grandmaster from Marikina. Paano ba magka-form ng bagong chapter?
Yes.
Yeah.
Ayan, yan.
Kasi meron din kami nakapending before when I was seated as a worshipful master sa Hill Fernando.
When was that?
Yeah, 2022. Meron kami mga documents na pero parang may kulang yata or something kaya we cannot form.
Sa Order of the Eastern Star, ang trabaho lang talaga ng worthy patron is to issue dispensation for the new chapters,
Worthy
So,
patron po?
Worthy
Or
patron.
Worthy grand patron. So kayo ho?
yung mga chapters sa Philippines, ako nag-i-issue ng
So
dispensation.
kung may gusto may interesado na relative ng
I
pupunta
can
ho sa
send
inyo.
the forms. May mga forms dyan na had to accomplish and then send back.
How can they reach you on Facebook or or how can they reach you? May Facebook page ba kayo?
Merong Facebook page ang Grand
Kung-
Chapter of the Philippines.
Kung i-message ba ho,
Meron.
it can be reached.
Facebook page meron.
Baka
Grand
pwede
Chapter.
nyo i-ano.
To form a chapter, is it difficult? How many would it compose?
You have to gather at least initially mga 20 lang
20
20
members.
na ano ho?
20 members. But majority
Babae.
majority should be
Compose na yon, male and female. Okay.
But
Majority female.
2 brother Masons,
Yes.
Master Masons.
At least 2. At least 2, Brother Masons.
So majority po, kung babae, mga dapat 11 babae. 11 to 8, 11 to 19.
Pero I would
No,
encourage
18.
more
18.
More.
We need 2 brother Masons.
2 brothers. So hanggang 18 na babae, 11 to 18 na babae, at saka dalawang
Master Masons.
2 Master Mason.
age is 18 above.
18 years.
Hindi kailangan pass master, Master Mason.
Oh, Master
Maybe,
Mason.
May sila in good standing.
In good standing. Okay. So,
Papaisip na-
ilan na po yung Grand Matron? Ilan na po yung strength nyo as of now?
Oh,
Ilan na po yung total? Yes po.
total, it's about 1,700.
Oh, dami na.
Dami na.
nung February February
dami,
Kuya Ricky, Kuya Jerry, napuno
Opo.
nila yung
Yes.
Abad Santos Hall eh.
Okay. Ang galing, Ang galing.
Pero all over the world, 500,000 na ang members. That's why they
500,000.
the Order of the Eastern Star the biggest or the largest fraternal organization to which men and women
Well, maybe.
belong.
It's a separate fraternity. Yeah.
And you have your parang sa imperial or how do you call it, international session or conclave or
Yes. Yes.
and when will it be?
Grand session.
Grand session.
It's assembly. We call it assembly.
Kailan po yun na
We have it in
ating
October.
October?
This year.
This
Ito
year.
po yung International
Yes.
Assembly.
Yeah, yes.
Pero dito po, meron tayong grand session.
Yes, yearly.
Grand session, annual.
Annual.
Oh, annual. So you elect your grand officers also annually.
Annually, yes.
Oh. How about sa imperial o dun sa grand
Call it
3 years.
supremes?
3 years.
Every 3 years.
General
Grand Chapter.
And where is it where will be conducted
This year
kung
it will be in South Carolina, Myrtle Beach. from October 25 to November 1st.
Winter na yun, ha? Di ba? Malamig yun, ha?
That is the
Sabihin
usual
kay Bunny,
time.
baka
Yes, yes.
ideas.
Yes, yes. Oh,
It's held every 3 years.
every 3 years. Oh, okay.
So members from the Philippines
Go
can
there.
attend.
Go there. Oo.
So, going back ho to yung formation po, yung as long as they're relatives of Masons,
Yes.
Yes.
you can have 18, they can form. And then, do the two Master Masons have to be already members of Order of Eastern Star?
Not
necessarily.
necessarily.
Break tayo.
Oo.
Time check.
Siguro, time check muna po tayo. 7:21 ng gabi, magpabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Okay, nagbabalik po ang Kapatiran para sa Bayan. Napakainit po ng discussions natin, lalo na sa ating mga boss. Boss sa bahay,
Yes.
boss pa rin sa labas. So, siguro, Kuya
may papatiin
Ted.
lang ako. Some announcement.
Sige,
May
bati muna.
announcements lang.
Kuya Ricky, yes.
Well, ito po yung we're going to have a IMES class. IMES class schedule on
IMS is Institute or Masonic Education and
Yes.
Studies. Okay.
It will be on July 4, 5, and 6. It will be hosted by NCRE, very worshipful Ritz Uy.
Richie,
I hope the brethren would be able to join, especially yung hindi pa
Saan po yan? Saan po yan na ikakandak?
Nako, yun ang hindi niya naisulat dito.
Sa GLP po ba o sa CMT?
Wala.
Siguro
I
kasi
think sa ano to?
just for everybody's
CRE.
enlightenment, pinagagawa po natin yung magandang fellowship area where we can accommodate even 100 people
Wow.
doon sa CMT. Kaya niyayabang ko ng konti yun kasi as an
Oo, kasi building
administrator.
administrator eh, no?
Yes.
Sagot mo raw lahat eh.
Ay, hindi ko sagutin.
Akala ko, isi-sponsor mo, di ba?
Patay tayo, TV tayo, nasa TV tayo. Oo. So, siguro it will be conducted there. And sana, para makita natin yung gaano kaganda ngayon ng CMT.
Where Calao chapter number 9 meets every first Saturday, Kuya Nestor? First Saturday of the
Per Saturday, 9 to 12 po sa Capitol Masonic Temple.
That's just one of the
Aba.
chapters po. Sister Remy, when does your chapter meet sa Davao po? Doon ba ho kayo sa Davao Masonic
Yes,
Temple?
Davao Masonic Center. First Saturday also, 3 p.m.
3 p.m.
Oh.
So, Sister Remy, since balik tayo ho sa Order of Eastern Star, bakit Eastern Star? Anong kahalagaan ng Eastern Star?
Because it was the concept of Brother Rob Morris to have that organization based upon the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. Where they,
So, very Christian to. You have to be, in order to be part of OES, unlike other appendant bodies, you must be Christian.
yes, you must
Okay.
believe in the existence of the Supreme Being. Then,
Do you have to be a Christian?
yes.
Yeah.
But we also
Or-
admit Muslim.
So Supreme
it's
Being.
not exclusive
That's
dito.
inclusive, yeah.
So,
I-believe only
yung
in-
tolerance,
Yes.
you
So, as long as
must,
you believe in God.
Yes.
you have to believe in a God.
Same as in
Because it is a philosophy, not a religion,
Yes.
di ba? Okay. So and the Eastern Star, what does it symbolize po?
It's symbolized from the light of our Lord Jesus Christ, wherein the Magi went to the Bethlehem to see the birth of our Lord Jesus Christ. So in this star, we have that point downward to show to the people, to the Magi, that there is somebody who is going to be born up
post it.
in that place. Because if there are 2 points, so they will not be able to find the birthplace
see.
of our Lord.
So only 1 point. Yes. And I observed that what you're wearing po, I think is consisting of 5 colors. What does it represent? Should there be any? po.
The blue color is for the daughter.
Okay.
She is called Ada in our ritual.
Who is a heroine in
And
the Bible?
Yes,
the daughter of Jephthah.
Jephthah, okay.
And then the yellow is Ruth.
Ruth.
Yes.
She is the great grandmother of our Lord Jesus Christ.
And the heroine in the book of Ruth.
Yes.
Okay.
And then white is for Queen Esther.
Esther.
And the green is for Martha.
Martha.
The sister of
The sister.
Sister.
Lazarus.
Mary and Lazarus.
Abo.
The friends of our Lord Jesus Christ.
Yes.
And then we have the red ray is for Electa.
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 She's the
Electa.
elect lady in John,
She is in John.
Okay. The Book of John.
Book of John.
Oh, New
So all of these
Testament.
are, lahat ito, all of these heroines are
Part of the
heroines in the Bible.
Biblical, yeah.
Yes.
And so these play major role in your ritual.
Yes, yes.
And ngayon I have to ask this kasi alam naman kami mga Mason, sanay na sanay kami pag may ritual, kung anong posisyon na gusto namin, di ba?
Yes.
These are heroines, so they have to be female.
Females.
O yan ha. Female na yan. Okay. So pag
So, nagko-costume din
so,
sila.
So, teka lang. So yung mga sumasali na
Brother.
Master Mason,
Yes.
may part ba sila sa
May
ritual?
role.
Yes, they maybe chaplain,
Chaplain. Okay.
marshal,
Okay.
organist.
Organist, yung
Yes.
yung nagpe-play ng ng music.
Music.
And
Iba yung yata isip mo eh. Kuya Ricky. Nagpe-play
Kaya
ng
talaga,
music.
Nag-play ng music.
then
Okay.
warder.
So meron ring roles.
Oh,
Yeah.
Which I see are parang our traditional roles rin.
Tapos worthy
and
patron.
Worthy
Saka
Worthy
patron.
patron.
Associate patron.
Advisor of the worthy patron and then associate patron.
Parang nga sa parang nga sa household, di ba? Ang advisor lang ang ang father, okay?
So meron din yung something like, sorry kung pwede kong sabihin to, may initiation, passing and raising, something like that.
Yeah, we have also.
Pero ho, isang you have 5 degrees,
Yes.
but it is conferred in one ritual.
One ritual.
Wow.
Oh.
So let's say, just to be clear, sumali ho kayo, isang ceremony lang ho.
Isang ceremony.
Very
But
beautiful. ho.
you have to file your petition. Should be read in a meeting, stated.
So parang circularized
Correct.
din.
Yes.
Articulated.
I guess like the craft, they have to find you to be both either a good man or a good woman.
Yes.
Kaya nga baka ma-blackball.
Meron yung investigating committee.
When you have filed your your petition, the worthy matron will appoint investigating committee, and then
Oh.
the next month the
Report.
investigating committee will report.
Yes,
and
yes.
we will have to ballot
Ballot.
on the petitioner.
Oh,
Halos, almost.
It's almost the same.
Almost the same.
And then
Oo.
Bilang
you'll
almost.
be initiated.
So,
Talagang
Kuya Joey, sis Remy, so there are 2 ways of entering. If you're a Master Mason, you can apply or a relative, daughter, wife, whether adopted or natural,
Yeah.
and sister, di ba?
Yes.
If you're a relative, you can either apply
Yes.
to a chapter, or if you're a Master Mason, you can gather. They don't have to be members yet.
Yes.
You can gather everyone into a new chapter.
Yes.
So kung
Yes.
let's say hindi mangyayari to kasi may Kalaw chapter eh. Pero let's say si Ating Bani gusto sumali. Normally ano siya sa chapter, pero kung marami sila, they don't have to be already members of a chapter.
No. Hindi.
So you can form a chapter. Like in Marikina, hindi pa OES yan, but they can form a chapter. And siguro sino magko-confer ho?
For the approval of...
I think
She will say, they will say
For a
to
start,
sila magko-confirm.
Pag ini-institute, I do the instituting.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tapos, pagbibigyan na ng charter, pag ang chapter is under dispensation, it's under my supervision.
Yeah. Opo.
Pag nabigyan na sila ng charter, turn over na sa...
Constituted.
Pero
Constituted
ito,
na, oo.
yung mga hindi pa member, they can go immediately to a new chapter.
Yes.
they can apply.
They can apply sa new chapter na.
Petition for
Okay.
degrees, yes.
Yes.
O yan. So there are 2 ways of joining. You either join a chapter,
Or yung
or kung marami kayo,
chapter.
11 to 18
Yes.
Make them-
relatives of Masons, female relatives of Masons, humanap lang kayo ng 2 sponsor. Ito, si Kuya Jerry, willing na willing yan, di ba? At saka si Kuya Ricky. O 2 na yan,
It has
pwede
to
na
be-
kayo mag-chapter.
It has to be sponsored by a lodge.
Also Elsa.
A lodge or even
sponsor
Mabuti
Or even
na sabi ho
district.
nyo.
Pwede rin district.
okay.
So it can be a lodge or a district,
Yeah.
'di ba? So ito like our DDGM for Rizal, 'di ba?
Yeah.
Or kung gusto nyo, para makatravel rin ho kayo, RDDGM for Korea. Ayan, pwede ka mag-sponsor doon, di ba?
Pwede naman, pwede naman. Why not?
Kung gusto nyo mag-travel na sa Korea, ito ho po ang kausapan nyo po. Di ba?
Opo, opo.
So mag-sponsor tayo doon.
Yeah.
Ay, teka lang.
Kasama ka, Berry. Kasama ka.
Natatakot ako yata si Kuya Jerry
Sis, what if, let's say for example, that my son is a Mason. So, he's not yet married, but yung girlfriend po niya, gusto mag-join. Pwede po yun.
Hindi pwede.
Hindi pa.
Unless anak ng Mason yung girlfriend niya.
Ayun,
Pag anak ng Mason, pwede.
Pwede rin. Oh,
Pwede.
Either natural or adopted.
Okay.
Or related sa Mason. Not,
Or
not actually.
he's a niece of a Master Mason.
Pamangkin.
Anis,
Niece.
Master Mason.
Oh.
Dati kasi ang classification 18 lang na wife, mother, daughter. Pero recently it was changed. Basta related by birth, by marriage, or by adoption.
I see. I understand sa States, hindi ko alam kung nandito na rin, but they're also allowing, if you are a former Job's daughter,
Yes.
Yeah.
or Rainbow,
You can join.
kasi alam ko, you don't have to be
You don't have to be related.
you don't have to be related by blood or adoption.
As long as you...
Pwede ba ho dito yun?
Pwede, yes.
Oh.
Yes.
So pwede pala.
Pwede.
And majority members of the Rainbow or the Job's Daughters or
Join.
they are already they have
They've
for
served
3 years,
for 3 years.
In membership of the Rainbow or Job's Daughters.
So just to clarify ho, kasi maganda ho to.
Oo.
Kung hindi ho kayo relative na Mason, pero alumni po kayo ng Job's Daughters or Rainbow, for 3 years,
Rainbow.
pwede kayo.
Pwede.
Oh, kasi
And 18 years.
Berry, pag Job's daughter kasi related pa rin yan eh.
Yeah.
Although I told you a while ago po that the Job's daughter already changed their constitution to invite even yung hindi na relative. Oo. So when you are service for, sabihin na natin, senior Job's daughter, just like Demolay, pwede na po mag-join.
Yes.
Ayun,
And
ganda.
just to clarify, yung mga mini-mentor natin na Demolay, magmason muna sila, di ba? Magmason muna kayo, ha?
Correct.
Bago kayo mag-Eastern Star.
Yes,
Para
that's
lang
correct.
clear. Di ba?
That's correct.
Baka mamaya, hindi pwede ho yun. Pero hindi natin dinidimi ng Demolay. Yun yung proseso lang po.
Yeah, you need to be Master Mason.
Master Mason.
Oo.
That's what my son said when he was a Demolay.
Ganun.
Mommy, I want to be in Eastern Star. No, you are not yet the Mason.
You need to be Mason.
So, kakatok pa rin ho. Kailangan kumatok pa rin.
siya.
Okay.
Yes.
But anyway,
So, siguro
may
yung,
advice si
Opo.
Very Worshipful Rich Uy, sa CMT pala and ng fellowship, doon daw sa pinagawa ni Very Worshipful Jerry Sadsad, yung bagong fellowship
Patay
area.
tayo dyan. Bakit ako kinote?
Nakasulat eh.
Ayun.
Malamang ikaw nag-sponsor na.
Hindi po.
Building administrator eh.
Oo, hindi
Si
po.
Kuya Jerry, maraming ini-sponsor niya.
Yes. So,
Narinig ko nga, magsusponsor nga ng OES
Yes.
Korea. Para man makauwi ka ng kingdom, di ba? Oo, tamo.
Why not? Oh, kasama ko naman si Very Worshipful Teddy.
Ayan.
Very Worshipful
Yes.
Ricky. Oo.
damay-damay lang eh.
Sana hindi nanonood
Pero
si
siguro,
Bunny.
pero siguro, Ateng, siguro ang pinakamaganda dito, since we're talking about Eastern Star, how to be an Eastern Star. Yon. Paano nyo po ba, any contact, via social media platform, or anything? Baka meron po kayong contact number,
Paano sila
focal
makasali?
person.
Let's say relative
Opo.
nga sila.
Yes.
Merong Facebook page ang
Eastern Star.
Grand
Ano
Chapter
pangalan?
of the
Ano pong
Philippines.
pangalan?
Grand Chapter of the Philippines.
So,
Grand
ilagay lang sa
chapter.
search.
Ilagay lang
Grand
sa-
Chapter of the Philippines,
Okay.
Order of Eastern Star.
Makakita nyo.
Okay, Grand Chapter of the Philippines, Order of the Eastern Star.
So, Facebook Messenger, para makakarating sa
Yes,
inyo
oo.
po.
Yes. And magpa-flash na po yung mga requirements on how to join.
Usually ako nagbibigay ng mga requirements. So they can also contact me
Ayun.
through my
Sige po.
messenger.
Sige po, sabihin niyo po.
My Facebook
No, magiging popular ka. Maraming
Sige lang,
friend request
okay
dahil
lang yun.
is Jose Espiredor.
Jose Espiridor. Opo.
Normally, ganun talaga ang nangyayari sa akin. Pinapadala yung mga inquiry.
Queries.
Tapos pinapadala ko sa ng forms.
So yung Facebook page nyo, Jose.
With the instruction on how to form the
Yes.
chapter.
Baka any contact number where you can be contacted so that anybody who is interested can join.
I can be contacted through telephone number.
Ano na lang, baka pwede email address na lang.
Email.
Email address.
Opo.
Kasi mahirap na. Baka maging popular.
Oo.
Opo.
Wag naman na, email address.
Pwede nyo pong sabihin po yun, Kuyang Sir. Opo.
My email address, pwede.
Sige po. Go ahead po.
It's Jodors, JODORSE @yahoo.com.
Yeah.
Oh, dali.
Okay.
Jodors@yahoo.com.
And on
And
that note,
contact.
on that note, kasi Kuya Jerry, inaano na natin, baka may mga activities ho kayo na gusto nyong i-promote.
Pero bago yan.
Bago po yan,
Ay!
para po sa kakabukas na ng ating TV, tayo po ay napapanood. You can follow us to Digital Free TV Aliw 23, Signal Channel 24, TV Plus Channel 27, at GMA For the Box Channel 25. Available rin po kami sa digital TV devices, TV receiver. Maaari lang po scan lamang po ang inyong digital TV receiver, digital TV box upang mapanood ang Aliw 23.
Okay, Kuya Ricky.
po tayo.
Yes, 7:45 ng gabi, magbabalik po ang kapatiran para sa bayan.
If not within the year, maybe within the next 2 years,
I
have 8 more. So we are looking forward to increasing the membership of the Grand Chapter of the Philippines.
Okay, and before I go to Pauline, I understand your boss, I'm sorry, si Ateng is here. Sister Nori, can you introduce everyone behind us? Sister
Yes,
Nori.
yes.
They are our sisters from Chodora Alonso in Davao.
Davao.
Oh yes, kasama si Sis Remy. Sis Carissa.
Worthy matron.
Worthy matron ng Chodora Alonso. And Sis Ruthie, Sis Ann, Sis Sylvia, Sis Agnes. Siya ang Grand Chaplain natin. Oh, and si Brother Kuyang, hindi ko na ipapakilala.
Oh, Kuya Nestor, baka meron kang additional
Before we go to Kuya Nestor, I
Yes.
just want to point out that Sis Nori Redor is the wife of our grand patron.
Di ba
So you
girlfriend lang? Bawat. Di ba
Ex-girlfriend.
lang?
Ex-girlfriend.
former girlfriend.
So you can see,
Former po.
So you can see, in the Order of Eastern Star, the family that joins together, prays and acts together, di ba? Naku, natakot ako yung ating ko.
And Sister
Si ating Bani
Pauline-
nakikita.
Sister Pauline is the daughter of
The daughter of
brother.
Brother Nestor.
Brother Nestor.
Oh.
Okay. Baka
Kuya
may
Nestor.
sasabihin. Baka may sasabihin si daughter muna bago yung
Oh, sige.
father. Oh.
Yung daughter, si mini boss niya.
Yes.
Mini boss niya. Oh.
Yes.
Go ahead, Sister
Go ahead.
Pauline.
So, on top of it, I would just like to add one of the female relatives, which is also the widows and the orphans of Freemasonry in good standing.
Makes sense.
Kasi may mga nagtatanong, paano kung namatay na yung father ko, can I still join Order of the Eastern Star? Of course, they can still join even the orphans. Provided na during their death, alam nila na in good standing yung Mason na yon. So,
Yeah.
it's open for all living or the dead na as long as they are in good standing pwede. So, back naman tayo sa promoting. I would just like to promote, of course, our chapter, Kalo Chapter number 9. We have a Facebook page. You can see all of our activities from 2014 to present. Makikita niyo yung monthly activities namin, different fundraising and charities and events na pinupuntahan namin. This coming September 21, we are inviting you to support our fundraising event sa Vertis North. The cinema and time will be announced on our Facebook page. And we have a scheduled charity on June 30 to be further discussed by my father, Brother Nestor.
Okay, Kuya
Oh,
Nestor.
Kuya
This is the only time.
Ayan na. Binigyan ka na ng
Hello?
ng mini boss mo.
Parang naging anchor si...
Oo nga eh.
Yes, mga kuyang, mga ating, aside from a series of fundraising, lagi pong kasama dyan yung charitable project. This coming June 30, I would like to invite you sa Shelter Foundation and Daycare Center sa Barangay Kaingin, San Rafael, Bulacan, owned by our brother Hil Garcia of Kakarong Lodge 327. Magkakaroon po ng family bonding dyan sa Bahay Ampunan. Kakain po kami kasama ang mga batang ulila, and after the lunch, we will proceed to family bonding sa isang resort po sa Bulacan, La Florentina Resort. Doon po magsasama-sama lahat ng gustong mag-participate, basta member ng OES or potential members. Mga Mason pwede rin po sumama. Basta ano po, within Bulacan para hindi na sila mahirapang maganap.
Oh, Kuya Nestor, on behalf of your family, you and Pauline, meron ba gusto kayong ibati? It's your
Okay.
chance. Kasi we're about to finish. Go ahead.
Ikaw na nga.
Okay lang?
Naiyak.
Sige, I will take this opportunity to greet my sister who is also a member of Order of the Eastern Star. She's not present because she's still at work. Hi, Sis Monique. She's my double sister because by blood and in the Order of the Eastern Star. So, shout out din sa mga members ng Kalo Chapter Number 9 Order of the Eastern Star.
Kuya Joey, si Snorri.
I would like to greet my brothers in Bagong Bayan, Lodge number 4. Particularly our worshipful master, Brother Montubig. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, si Snorri. Oh, okay daw.
Okay na yan.
Okay na daw.
Si Grand Secretary.
Grand Secretary, kayong dalawa na lang po.
Opo.
Good evening, everyone. I would like to give a shout out to our members and officers of Teodora Alonso, chapter number 4. We also have an upcoming activity, an Operation Tuli, together with the Masonic District Region 11.
Tutuli pala kayo.
Yes. On
I
June
learned something every
29,
day, yo.
yeah, June 29, 2024 po yun. Kasama namin yung mga youth namin na mga Demolays and
Oh,
Jobies also.
Pero hindi yung demolition.
Hindi naman po.
Nagsa-sponsor sila.
Yes.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Sila yung ano.
Opo,
Tutuli.
tumutulong
Hindi,
sila
hindi naman.
sa project namin. Opo.
Ayun, okay.
Sis Remy.
Greetings to my
Yes.
sisters and brothers of Teodora Alonso Chapter Number 4 and to all sisters and brothers in the Philippines, Order of the Eastern Star.
Yes, yung mga naiwan natin sa bahay, siyempre the family who is not siguro, mauna na ako. Mauna na ako. Oo, hi kay ating Shane, Emil, Iya, and Dindin.
Good evening also to my boss and mini boss, Bunny and Ellie. I know you're watching tonight. Don't get any ideas, but I have a feeling meron kayong ideas. On that note, Kuya Jerry, we have any final announcements? Go ahead.
Yes, Kuya Joey.
Kuya Joey.
Yeah, I would like to extend our thanks to our very worshipful Brother Teddy
Thank you.
and our
Jerry po, Kuya Jerry.
and
Opo.
Brother Ricky for giving us this opportunity to speak about like Order of the Eastern Star.
It's our great pleasure po to be with you, our family in Masons.
And on that note, we'd also like to thank our tech engineers, Aldrin Cruz, Chat Josue, Kay Constantino, writer Laika Cuevas, CA Alisa Quevedo.
Next program po, Pangga Ruth Abaw. Live kasama si Pangga Nika Abaw. Magbabalik po ang kapatiran para sa bayan.